welcome back to the video about only Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what? Period, poo. So me and my man, we just made it to New York, honey. We just dropped the Tesla off at the parking deck. They was so nice, very easy. It was not stressful at all leaving the car there. He was like, make sure you take this ticket to the hotel to get the discount. So yeah, we'll be staying at the Model Hotel. I'll show you guys how it looks once we get there, give you guys a room tour, and you're gonna spend the day with us. 12 hours or 24 hours with us. So yeah. Oh, also today is his birthday. Say happy birthday to Juwan in the comments, y'all. Drop the birthday cake emoji. So yeah, I'll see you guys once we get there. I'll probably shoot some B-roll of the city as we're walking throughout the day and whatnot. Can we keep each other company? We are on the 24th floor. Oh.
Let's see. I don't know if it'll work. Let's try it.
Okay.
Is it gonna work for me?
24. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Sometimes things work out.
Yes. Yes. Gotta be hopeful. So yeah, I hope the view's nice. I was really trying, that's why I booked this hotel, for the view, to be honest. But
24th floor.
Is that
that's, have a good one.
Come on.
Look, baby, look what I left for you. For your birthday. Look at that.
That's special. That's special. Oh, is this the same?
Look at the view, baby.
Is this the same?
This isn't the same one that I wanted to book us originally for your birthday 2 years ago. Welcome to New York, baby. This is for you. All for you. All for you. Yes. All right, y'all. Here's a little tour. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a tour. When you walk in, this is the door. There's a little area right here where you can hang your things. There's a lovely sink with a marble countertop. There's me. Doo-doo-doo-doo. It's kind of dark. It's okay. I love the setup of the sink. It's different that it's not in the bathroom, but the bathroom, I guess, is just gonna be so small that they don't need to have it in there. Okay. The shower is cool. It's clean. We love that. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Here's the bathroom and the shower, and then there's a mirror. Here's the mirror, you guys. And then they gave us this for Juwan for his birthday. How sweet. And then, yep, here's the view. This is what I paid for him. I want him to have the view. I want him to be able to go into the city and then come out of the city and still be with the city. For anybody who's interested and wants to get the same exact room, get on the 24th floor. I'll see you guys in my next... He already popping the bottles, honey. He already popping the bottles. It's a celebration. He popping the bottles, honey. See you guys in the next vlog.